If you want to get the best out of ChatGPT, you have to start with the right settings and the right model. Most people don't realize just how much difference a bit of personalization can make. So should your custom settings ask for formal or informal responses? Should they be technical and use latex, or should they speak in plain English? Those are some aspects of the basic settings that shape how the model works for you. And don't just stick with the default, which is GPT-5 Auto at the moment. Try out different models, like GPT 4.0, not 4.0, but 4.0, letter O, is quick and conversational. It's great for everyday stuff. GPT 4.1, which I use a lot, is a bit slower, but it's much more reliable for technical work. GPT-5 is pitched as smarter and better at reasoning, but it's sometimes rather unpredictable, especially in the auto mode. The trick, anyway, is to experiment a bit and pick the right model for your task. So click the link below to see the full video explaining how you set up and work with different GPT models. That's part 1 of lecture 3, Context Engineering with ChatGPT. And for the complete lecture 3 and other lectures, check out the entire playlist, the No Coder's Guide to Surviving Generative AI. And especially if you're just starting out, you might want to take a look at lecture 1, Introduction to Prompt and Context Engineering, because that's where I lay the foundations for all the terminology and so forth for non-coders.